Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to enable automatic, scheduled investing for a specific instrument on Trading 212. Recurring payments can help you invest consistently without needing to place a manual order every time. It's a simple toggle you can turn on for the instrument you choose so you can stay disciplined and save time. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app. Once you're in your account and the platform is loaded, you should see your familiar dashboard with watch lists and the search area. Make sure you're comfortable with the layout because the control we'll use appears on the instruments page rather than the main dashboard. Next, choose the instrument you want to invest in on a recurring basis. This can be any supported stock or ETF that you already follow. Open its dedicated page so you can see the price chart, key details, and the action buttons. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct instrument is important because the recurring payment you're about to enable will apply specifically to this selection. On the instrument page, look for a small plus icon located near the three-dot menu. This plus icon sits alongside other quick actions and is easy to miss if you scroll past quickly. Click or tap the plus icon to bring up the controls related to setting up your ongoing investment. If you don't see it immediately, glance near the top of the screen or around the main action buttons for buying and selling, as interface elements can shift slightly with updates. In the panel that appears, find the option labeled Recurring. You'll see it showing off by default. Click on Off to turn Recurring on. When you switch it on, the platform enables automated purchases for this specific instrument according to the defaults available in your account. That's all it takes to activate Recurring on Trading 212 for the chosen symbol. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Make sure you're enabling Recurring on the correct instrument and in the account segment you intend to use. Keep an eye on your available cash balance so the platform can carry out your scheduled purchases as expected. If the interface looks a little different from what you're used to, don't worry. Labels or placements can vary slightly, but the recurring toggle remains clearly marked. You can return to the same place at any time to review the status or turn it off. That's it. You've opened Trading 212, selected your instrument, used the small plus icon, and switched recurring from off to on. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.